Hello students, Sat Shri Akal, Namaste. I hope you are doing well. So my name is Ms. Amandeep Kaur. So I am back with math subject of 5th class. Listen to fundamental operations on numbers, exercise 2.8. First example is in a stadium in the match of cricket there are 84,000 people sitting in 24 rows. How many people are sitting in a row? 84,000 पीपल 24 रोज में बैठे हैं तो वन रो में कितने होंगे? सो आंसर इज पीपल इन 24 रोज इज इक्वल टू 84,000. सो नाउ पीपल इन one row is equal to 84,000 by 24. So now let's divide. We know 24 threes are 72. Now 84 minus 72 gives us 12. 0 comes down with 12. It becomes 120. Now 120 minus 120 gives 0 because 24 fives are 120. Now we have not used these two zeros, so we will add these two zeros as it is to the quotient, right? So we get the quotient 3500. So answer is 3500 people, right? Second is you have 99,825 which is to be distributed equally among 33 friends. आपके पास 99,825 हैं, इनको आपने 33 फ्रेंड्स में बांटना है. हाउ मच अमाउंट विल ईच फ्रेंड गेट? हर फ्रेंड को कितनी कितनी अमाउंट मिलेगी? सो नाउ आंसर इज टोटल मनी इज इक्वल टू 99,825. Now distributed equally among 33 friends. So each friend get is equal to 99,825 by 33. So let's divide. So now 33 threes are 99. So 99 minus 99 gives us 0 remainder. So here 8 comes down and 2 also comes down. 82. Now 82 means two digits are coming down together. That's why we will add 0 to the quotient, right? So 33 twos are 66. 82 minus 66 gives us 16. And 5 comes down with 16. It becomes 165. Now 33 fives are 165. So now 165 minus 165 gives us 0 remainder. So answer is 3,025 rupees answer. Now third is my grandfather divided 72,000 equally among 4 brothers sisters. How much will each get? ग्रैंडफादर ने 72,000 डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए हैं 4 ब्रदर सिस्टर्स में, तो हर किसी को कितना कितना मिला? सो नाउ आंसर इज माय ग्रैंडफादर हैड 72,000 रुपीज, राइट, डिवाइडेड इन 4 brothers and sisters. Each get is equal to 72,000 by 4. So let's divide. 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 gives us 3. 2 comes down with 3. It becomes 32. Now 4 eights are 32 gives a 0 remainder. So we have not used these 3 zeros. So these 3 zeros will be added to the quotient. So we get the answer 18,000 rupees each answer. Fourth is what number must be multiplied with 26 to get 14,508. So now let the number be a. मान लीजिए नंबर a है. Now a into 26 is equal to 14,508 means a और 26 को मल्टीप्लाई करके हमें मिल रहा है 14,508. Now a is equal to 14,508 by 26. Now let's divide. Now 26 fives are 130. 145 minus 130 gives us 15. 0 comes down with the 15. It becomes 150. Now 26 fives are 130. 150 minus 130 gives us 20. 8 comes down with 20. It becomes 208. Now 26 eights are 208. Now 208 minus 208 gives us 0 remainder. So we get answer 558. Now fifth is the gardener has 23,976 flowers to make garland. garland बनाने के लिए, garland means हार बनाने के लिए 23,976 फ्लावर्स हैं। वन गार्लैंड हैज़ 24 फ्लावर्स। 24 फ्लावर्स से वन गार्लैंड बनता है। तो हाउ मैनी गार्लैंड्स कैन बी मेड फ्रॉम 23,976 फ्लावर्स? तो कितने गार्लैंड्स इतने फ्लावर्स से बनेंगे, राइट? सो आंसर इज वन गार्लैंड हैज़ 24 फ्लावर्स। वन गार्लैंड को चाहिए 24 फ्लावर्स एंड लेट एन गार्लैंड्स हैज़ 23,976 फ्लावर्स। हमें नहीं पता कितने गार्लैंड्स बनेंगे, लेकिन हमने उसको n सपोज कर लिया। नाउ रिक्वायर्ड नंबर ऑफ गार्लैंड्स इज इक्वल टू 23,976 बाय 24. So let's divide 24 nines are 216. Now 239 minus 216 gives us 23. 7 comes down with 23. It becomes 237. Now 24 nines are 216. 237 minus 216 gives us 21. 6 comes down with 21. It gives 216. Now 24 nines are 216. 216 minus 216 gives us 0 remainder. So we get answer 999 garlands. Now sixth sum is how many 2000 notes are there in 40,000 rupees? हमारे पास 2000 के notes हैं, लेकिन कितने note चाहिए हमें 40,000 rupees बनाने के लिए? So let number of note is equal to n. मान लीजिए कि हमारे पास n notes हैं, then n multiplied by 2000 is equal to 40,000. Now value of n is equal to 40,000 divided by 2000. Here 3 zeros will get cancelled and 2 will get cancelled by 40. It gives us 20. So answer is 20 notes. Seventh is I need change of 25,000. How many falling notes shall I get? 25,000 का change चाहिए. Then number of notes of 1000. 1000 के कितने notes चाहिए होंगे हमें? 25. Answer. B part, number of notes of 500 is equal to 50. Answer. C part is number of notes of 100 is equal to 250. So these are fill-ups. Eighth is a JCB machine picks 900 bricks in a round. एक राउंड में 900 bricks पिक कर रही हैं. How many rounds will it take to pick 99,000 bricks? अगर 99,000 bricks को पिक करना है तो कितने rounds लगेंगे? So now bricks picked in one round is equal to 9,000. one round में 9,000 है and in n rounds हमने suppose कर लिया n rounds, right, is equal to 99,000. So value of n is equal to 99,000 by 9,000. 3 zeros will get cancelled. So let's divide 9 and 99, right? Now we will divide. 9 ones are 9. 9 minus 9 gives us 0. 9 comes down. So here 9 ones are 9. It gives 0 remainder. So this is equal to in 11 rounds, right? Ninth is the cost of a railway ticket is 78. Palak gave 7,722 for buying tickets. How many tickets will she get? 78 एक टिकट का कोस्ट है, राइट? और उसने पैसे दिए हैं 7,722. तो उसको कितने टिकट्स मिलेंगे? कोस्ट ऑफ वन टिकट इज इक्वल टू 78 रुपीज एंड कोस्ट ऑफ n टिकट्स हमें नहीं पता तो हमने n सपोज कर लिया. n टिकट्स दैट इज इक्वल टू 7,722 रुपीज. नाउ वैल्यू ऑफ n इज इक्वल टू 7,722 बाय 78. सो लेट्स डिवाइड. On division we get 78 nines are 702. Now 772 minus 702 gives us 70. 2 comes down with 70. It becomes 702. Now 78 nines are 702. 702 minus 702 gives us 0 remainder. So she will get 99 tickets. Answer. 10th sum is the last sum. A factory manufactures 45,540 ice cream cones in the month of June. जून मंथ में ये मैन्युफैक्चर कर रही हैं 45,540 आइसक्रीम कोन्स. हाउ मैनी आइसक्रीम कोन्स आर मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन अ डे? एक दिन में कितने किए? सो नाउ आंसर इज जून हैज 30 days, राइट? So now number of ice cream cones in 30 days is equal to 30 days में कितनी हुई हैं? 45,540. Number of ice cream cones in one day is equal to 45,540 divided by 30. Here 1 0 will get cancelled. So let's divide 4,554 by 3. So we get, so now let's divide. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 gives us 1. 5 comes down with 1. It becomes 15. 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 15 gives us 0. 5 comes down. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 gives us 2. 4 comes down with 2. It becomes 24. 3 8s are 24. And now 24 minus 24 gives us 0 remainder. So we get quotient is 1518. So in one day 1518 ice cream cones are manufactured. So this is the answer. So we have completed exercise 2.8 of lesson 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos.